I'm going to do a quick review on this spreader. It's brand new. Old one just deteriorated. The wheels started falling off and the actual spreader underneath mechanism, that rotted out. So had to go ahead and get a new one. Picked this one up at Lowe's. It was $88. Let's go ahead and cut the zip tie. Just gotta cut the zip tie, take the handle out, crank down the right and left sides so that way it's sturdy. My first impressions from it is that it's a solid spreader. The plastic is thicker than my old one. The metal is actually beefier than my old one, which is nice. We have an EdgeGuard on and off, which is cool because this feature wasn't on my last one. So when you put the EdgeGuard on, if you're walking next to your beds, put a guard on so that way seed does not fling into anywhere it shouldn't be flinging into. That's a cool feature because my old one didn't have that and it would just spread everywhere and I would have to estimate how far away from the bed I would need to be so it would spread and not get into the bed itself. Next thing, has a little rubber handle. Really nice for grip, especially if you've got a large lawn and you're going to be walking everywhere, and that's helpful because after a while it could be hurting your hands and your palm. The wheels are beefier than my old one, which are good. They're solid. They're just plastic, so nothing fancy there. And then, of course, as you can see over here, we've got your dial. So we're going to be putting it on a 7 for the Milorganite. This has a spring on it, which is nice. And it just seems pretty smooth. So there you have it. I'm going to go ahead and pour a bag in and see if it takes this whole bag. This is what I'm going to be using. Nitrogen fertilizer, Milorganite. I hear really good things about it, and we're going to find out if it's true. All right, let's go take this Cadillac spreader for a spin. All right, not bad. I approve. I highly recommend this spreader. It did a fantastic job. It was easy to go ahead and push around my yard. It turned on a dime. The plastic is hard. The metal is tough. The grip is soft. The hopper is large, so that way you could put an entire bag in there and you don't have to stop and re-applying more seed or fertilizer, which is a nice feature. The spring, super easy to use, and the feature with the guard, so that way you don't hit or put seed into your garden beds around your property, is a huge plus. So at the beginning of this, I was just like, it's a normal spreader. At the end of it, I'm in love. It's a great spreader. Highly recommend it. If you like the latest content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. That would mean the world to me. Until next time, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you guys later.